Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping chocolate and heat. This matters because even small water ruins the shine. Chop 150-200 G uniformly so it melts evenly. Place a bowl over simmering water. Keep water below the bowl rim so steam does the work. Stir gently and constantly with a rubber spatula until almost melted. Residual heat finishes it. Once done, remove from heat and wipe any condensation. Make sure to work quickly. You want smooth liquid, not scorched. You now temper and load the chocolate so your sprinkles stay crisp and glossy. Once melted, cool to the correct working temperature for your chocolate type. This stabilizes cocoa butter crystals for snap. Use a thermometer and stir while cooling. Add a few chopped pieces to seed if time helps. Strain into a nozzle bottle or fine mesh shaker to avoid clogging. Once loaded, maintain warmth at 30-32 degrees using a thermos or a gently warmed water bath. Consistent heat keeps flow steady. You finish by applying the chocolate like a pro. Hold the bottle or shaker 10-15 centimeters above your dessert and move in a steady, confident motion to create even, delicate threads. Once covered, place the item on a rack and allow the chocolate to set at room temperature or a slightly cool 10-degree area for best gloss. If pieces stick or break, chill briefly. If the nozzle clogs, warm it briefly. If bloom appears, re-temper and redo a small batch. This fixes texture problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.